Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're unboxing and I'm going to show you it working as well. The Inateck DPI adjustable wired USB mouse with an ice blue LED lighting system as well. So let's get into the unboxing. So a massive thank you to Inateck that has supplied me with a range of products which you're going to see the unboxing videos and reviews video coming shortly throughout February. So their first one that I want to show you is a USB mouse, and as you can see here it's adjustable on the DPI, which is dots per inch, so you can change and adjust this so you get a better sensitivity for gaming or editing photographs or using in a general use, which I think is great. So it has 800, 1000, 1600 and 2400, as you can see along here at the bottom. So nice clean packaging that we expect from Inateck. So let me pull this out here. There's a little tab on the back. So it's just in some protecting wrapping here. So as you can see, they've got a cool design that goes round, which will light up as well. You have like a matte textured design here, then you have a nice glossy design around your mouse. If I turn it underneath, you have 2 feet or pedestals there, so it won't damage your desk. You have a long cable as well, which is USB connection to PC, Mac, and it is plug and play. There's no drivers or attachments that you need to download and use with this, so it should just plug in and play, which I think is a great idea. So it has a great lifespan as well, so 3 years plus they say for this, and it has 3 million clicks per button and 3,000 clicks for the wheel as well here in the middle. It has a nice ergonomic design here, so your hand just simply rests on there. You won't have no aches or pains or cramps from using this for long periods of time, so you can enjoy your gaming or your editing, depends on what your choice is. So it's supplied with a nice long cable here, which is 1.6 meters, so it's going to give you a nice long stretch. So let's just unravel this here. My MacBook Pro is sat right next to me and it says it's plug and play, so let's just connect this in. As you can see, when connected in, the blue LED ice lights turn up there and it looks really nice. So you've got Inateck there, you've got lights running through your mouse as well. As I described, it does plug and play straight away into my MacBook Pro, and I will show you this in the review as well. It just simply works, which is a great idea. It's showing you a setup process for linking up the buttons as well to do different features on the Mac, but it does just work straight away, and I can move my mouse around, and I can honestly say that is moving around the display as well. You also have the ability on this mouse as well, when working, the lights will change as well and give you different effects, which I think is a great idea when you're working or gaming. So a massive thank you to Inateck for providing this mouse for me. The link will be in description. It does come from Amazon UK and it costs $7.99. I think it's a great bargain price. If you do have any questions or queries about this mouse or any other products that I have shown on the channel, always drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon.